Okay, problem number 7 from the Chapter 3 Quiz review. Write an equation of the exponential function that passes through the points 1, -2 and 3, -18. So by exponential function, we're talking about y is equal to a times b to the power of x. That's the form we're looking for. So we're given 2 points, and remember each of these is an x and a y. So there are several methods for solving this. I prefer to use the elimination method, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate here. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a system of equations, one for this point and then an equation for that one there. So I'm going to put my y in for my y, my x in for my x. So I've got right now -2 is equal to a times b to the first power. And then I've got a -18 is equal to a times b to the third. And with the elimination method that I'm using here, right, we're going to divide one equation by the other one. I always look for the one that has the greater exponent in it, and I divide that equation by the other equation. So I'm going to say here, I'm going to divide this original here by -2. You can even throw the equals in there, it doesn't matter. It's equal to a, b to the first. And now we're going to look to simplify this expression here. So when I do -18 divided by -2, I should get 9. We'll bring down that equal sign. Our a divided by a gives us 1, so those cancel out. And then I've got b to the third divided by b to the first is going to give me b to the second power. Whoops, I switched colors. Let me flip it back. So b to the second power. Now I just need to finish solving, so we'll take the square root of each side, and now we end up with 3 is equal to b. And remember, you don't need to worry about the plus or minus on this because b has to be a positive number. So now that we know what b is, we'll take this value and we're going to substitute it in for b into our other equation. So we're going to say -2 is equal to a times 3 to the first power. Well, that simplifies to 3a is equal to -2. And when we finish solving it there, we'll have -2/3 is equal to the value of a. Now we have our missing a and b terms, so we can take it and write out our answer. Y is equal to -2/3 times 3 to the power of x. Okay, so that's one way of doing it there. If you're not comfortable with that, please make sure you ask in class. I'll show you other ways to do it. There's a couple ways that you can do it.